Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make great filter coffee at home. I'm going to teach you how to master your Mocha Master. Today we're going to be using a single origin, roasted for filter. It's really important that the coffee you use in your Mocha Master is roasted for filter. If it's an espresso roast, it can be way too harsh and really ashy. Filter coffees are roasted a little bit lighter and developed a bit less and are designed for this brewing purpose. I prefer single origin in my filters at home. I find that it's a really nice way to experience different origins, different beans, and some interesting flavors. Our recipe for this coffee is 60 grams of coffee for 1 liter of water. There's two types of grinders I've got out here today. There's a hand grinder and an electronic grinder. You can use both for your Mocha Master. The only thing that's really important here is how you grind the coffee. The granules should look somewhere between white sugar and raw sugar. So on our electric grinder, which I'll use today, we've actually set almost as coarse as it goes. So now we've got 60 grams of ground coffee. So the next thing we do is grab the top part of our Mocha Master, which holds our paper filter, and we're going to put our coffee in there. First, we grab one of our Mocha Master paper filters, pop it in. I'm going to give this filter a little wash. You'll notice on the side there's 3 settings: open, half open, and closed. We want to make sure it's open for the start of our brewing process. Pop your coffee in and make a little well in the center, just using your hand. So we pop it in here. We're going to put 1 liter of water in. So it's really important to use cold water that's been filtered. If you don't have access to filtered water, I'd recommend just buying water from the supermarket and using that. All right, and that's exactly 1 liter. Pop this cover back on to stop any foreign objects falling in your water. And really simply, turn your Mocha Master on. Once the water gets over the top of the coffee grinds, we're going to give them a little bit of a stir for about 20 seconds. Stirring the coffee grinds, make sure they all get wet and water extracts them really evenly. When this is about halfway through pouring, we're going to give it a second stir. Stir again and just break up that coffee that's on the surface and make sure it all goes through this nicely. So now that that's finished brewing, we're going to close this back off again so we don't get coffee drips on the bottom of our Mocha Master. And enjoy.